and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the gorgeous Tempo Deluxe Wig from Ellen Wille's Hair Power collection. This is a gorgeous chic bob with a lovely swooping fringe that just blends right into the long face framing layers. This is such a gorgeous style with such a high quality, stunning cap. She is so lightweight and comfortable and is also available in your average cap size as well as a large cap size too. So perfect for any of you guys with a head diameter that fits best for your average or large size. I can't wait to show you this wig in a little bit more detail. I'm just going to flip her inside out so that we can take a closer look at how her cap is constructed. So inside this cap here we have got a full monofilament section with a lovely long lace front here. This means that you can part the hair in any direction and it is going to show straight through to your own scalp, making it look as if the hair is growing straight out of your own head. Your lace front here gives a really natural appearance along your forehead, again making it look as if that hair really is your own. The rest of the cap here is 100% hand tied. You've got some lovely sections that are really super stretchy and comfortable, that are really going to cling to your head and mold to your head so that you're not going to be irritated or feeling this wig as you're wearing it all day. The tied section that gives the hair a really natural movement. If you're out in the wind or anything, the hair is just going to flow super naturally. We've got our little metal stays in the ear tabs here, as well as our little Velcro adjusters at the back, so you can make sure the wig has the perfect fit for you. I'm just going to pop on a little wig cap and then I'm going to try on the Tempo Deluxe wig so that you can see what she looks like when you're wearing her. I have just popped the wig on and given her a little brush and made sure that that hairline is about 4 fingers width away from my eyebrows. As you can see, this is just a gorgeous, sleek, classic bob style. You've got about 29 centimetres of length overall and 14 centimetres at the fringe. I'm just going to do a quick spin around so that you can see what she looks like from every different angle. This colour here is Sand Mix and it's the perfect sort of light brunette with loads of lovely kind of blonder highlights running through as well. This wig is available in a whole variety of different colours. I've got a couple more here to show you, so I'm just going to swap into one of them just now. So this here is the shade Chocolate Mix, which is a lovely rich brunette shade, again with some different tones running throughout, giving it a really nice dimension. And the final shade I've got here to show you is Mocha Mix, which I think is a perfect in between the last two colours I've showed. She is a lovely kind of light brunette with loads of kind of warm tones, almost a little bit auburny. I absolutely love this colour. I really hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit about the Tempo Deluxe wig from Ellen Wille's Hair Power collection. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. We've been making a whole load of different wig review videos for you, so don't forget to check them all out whilst you're here on the channel. If you have any requests or if there's any wig that you would like to see in a little bit more detail, please just leave a comment down below. You can follow Judy Plum across all social media and head on over to the website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. I'll see you again soon.